The Central Dogma of Biology is how our DNA creates the body proteins. The DNA has the blueprint of our life, to create, build and maintain our body. The DNA or deoxyribose nucleic acid has the nitrogen bases, adenine paired to thymine, and cytosine paired with guanine. In the RNA or ribose nucleic acid, thymine is replaced by uracil. The RNA copies the blueprint. This step is called transcription. And transcription happens inside the nucleus. Then the RNA goes out of the nucleus into the cytoplasm. And in the cytoplasm, the RNA attracts the corresponding amino acids to create the specific protein needed. This second step is called translation. Therefore, transcription plus translation lead to the creation of body proteins. This is how the proteins are created in every tissue and organ of our body. We can show all of this in our one-page presentation by showing how our body is structured, from the gross to the microscopic to the molecular nucleotide level. Therefore, in the Central Dogma of Biology, the major components are 1. DNA or deoxyribose nucleic acid, 2. RNA or ribose nucleic acid, 3. Nucleotides, 4. Amino acids. And as a review, the two major steps are: Step 1 is transcription that happens inside the nucleus. Step 2 is translation that happens outside the nucleus or in the cytoplasm. Therefore, find a food supplement that has exogenously derived dietary nucleotides, because nucleotides are needed to support the structure and functions of the DNA and RNA. Look for a food supplement that has the 9 essential amino acids, because they are needed to create and complete the 20 amino acids needed by the body. When we supply these 3 major food ingredients, 1. Nucleotides, 2. Amino acids and 3. Peptides. All of these food or dietary ingredients will support the central dogma of biology or our life. Therefore, get in touch with the person who shared you this video. Ask to get more information of the life, livelihood, legacy programs of Forever Healthy Products, LLC, founded by Leon Katz, President, and Dr. Susan Barlin, PhD, CEO. Remember that prevention is always preferred and better than getting the best cure. Always point to God as the source of our life, health and prosperity. We say yes to perfect health and unlimited wealth. Dr. Arle Imperio, MD.